Relieve lower back pain and look taller. For relieving lower back pain and improving posture to look taller, consider exercises targeting core strength and flexibility. Practices like yoga, Pilates, and specific stretches can alleviate tension and strengthen muscles supporting the spine. Engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining proper posture, and using ergonomic furniture also aid in reducing discomfort and promoting a taller appearance. 1. Pelvic tilt exercise. Pelvic tilt exercises are essential for strengthening the core muscles, improving posture, and relieving lower back pain. They focus on the muscles of the lower back, abdomen, and hips. To perform a basic pelvic tilt exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently flatten your lower back against the floor by tilting your pelvis upwards. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine. Hold this position for a few seconds before inhaling and returning to the starting position. Repeat the exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing as your strength improves. Pelvic tilts can also be performed while standing, sitting, or on an exercise ball for added variety and challenge. This exercise helps in activating and strengthening the deep abdominal muscles, which support the spine and pelvis, reducing the risk of injury. Regular practice can enhance flexibility, alleviate discomfort during prolonged sitting or standing, and contribute to overall spinal health. Incorporating pelvic tilts into a daily fitness routine can lead to better body mechanics, reduced back pain, and improved posture. 2. Inner thigh side stretch exercise. The inner thigh side stretch is an effective exercise to increase flexibility and alleviate tightness in the inner thigh muscles, also known as the adductors. To perform this stretch, begin by standing with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly shift your weight to one side by bending the knee of that leg, while keeping the other leg straight. Ensure your bent knee does not extend past your toes to avoid strain. As you shift your weight, you should feel a gentle stretch along the inner thigh of the straight leg. Keep your upper body upright and your core engaged to maintain balance. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. Return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Aim for 2 to 3 repetitions on each side. For a deeper stretch, you can place your hands on the bent knee or the floor in front of you. This exercise is beneficial for athletes, dancers, and anyone looking to improve lower body flexibility. Regular practice can help prevent injuries, enhance athletic performance, and improve overall mobility. Incorporating the inner thigh side stretch into your stretching routine can lead to better flexibility, reduced muscle tightness, and improved leg function. 3. Russian twist exercise. The Russian twist is a highly effective core exercise that targets the oblique muscles, which run along the sides of your abdomen. This exercise also engages the rectus abdominis and the lower back, contributing to overall core strength and stability. To perform a Russian twist, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly to create a V shape between your torso and thighs. Hold your hands together in front of your chest or clasp a weight or medicine ball for added resistance. Begin by twisting your torso to one side, bringing your hands or the weight towards the floor beside your hip. Then twist to the opposite side in a controlled manner. Ensure your movements are slow and deliberate, avoiding any jerking motions. For increased intensity, lift your feet off the ground, balancing on your sit bones while performing the twist. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per side, gradually increasing as your strength improves. The Russian twist helps in enhancing rotational strength, which is crucial for sports and everyday activities involving twisting motions. It also improves balance and coordination. Incorporating this exercise into your regular workout routine can lead to a stronger, more defined core, better posture, and reduced risk of injury. 4. Frog exercise. The frog exercise is an excellent movement for stretching and strengthening the inner thighs, hips, and groin muscles. It's particularly beneficial for improving flexibility and mobility in the lower body. To perform the frog exercise, begin by kneeling on the floor with your knees wide apart and your feet turned outwards, resembling a frog's legs. Position your hands or forearms on the ground in front of you to support your upper body. Slowly lower your hips towards the floor, ensuring that your knees remain aligned with your ankles. As you lower, you should feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs and hips. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and relaxing into the stretch. To increase the intensity, gently rock your hips back and forth or move them in small circles. Return to the starting position and repeat for 2 to 3 repetitions. The frog exercise is particularly useful for athletes, dancers, and individuals who spend long periods sitting, as it helps to open up the hip joints and relieve tension in the groin area. Regular practice can enhance overall hip mobility, reduce the risk of injuries, and improve performance in activities that require lower body strength and flexibility. Integrating the frog exercise into your stretching routine can lead to better posture, increased flexibility, and a more balanced lower body. 5. Kneeling single leg kick exercise. The kneeling single leg kick exercise is a dynamic movement that targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back muscles while also engaging the core for stability. To perform this exercise, start by kneeling on a mat with your knees hip-width apart and your hands on your hips or extended in front of you for balance. Extend one leg straight out behind you, keeping your foot flexed and your toes pointed towards the floor. Engage your core muscles to maintain stability and prevent arching your lower back. From this position, slowly lift your extended leg off the ground to hip height, maintaining a straight line from your head to your heel. Next, bend your knee and bring your heel towards your glutes, squeezing your hamstring and glute muscles. Hold for a moment at the top of the movement before straightening your leg back out behind you. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions on one leg before switching to the other side. This exercise helps to improve lower body strength, particularly in the glutes and hamstrings, which are essential for activities like running, jumping, and climbing stairs. It also enhances balance and stability by engaging the core muscles throughout the movement. Regularly incorporating the kneeling single leg kick into your workout routine can contribute to better overall lower body strength, flexibility, and functional fitness. 6. Best knee extension exercises. Knee extension exercises are crucial for strengthening the quadriceps muscles, improving knee stability, and enhancing overall lower body strength. Here are some of the best knee extension exercises. Leg extensions. This exercise is typically done using a leg extension machine at the gym. Sit on the machine with your knees bent and shins under the padded lever. Extend your legs until they are straight, then slowly lower back to the starting position. Control the movement to avoid jerking motions. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you were going to sit in a chair, keeping your weight on your heels and knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to standing. Squats engage the quadriceps along with other lower body muscles. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle and your back knee just above the floor. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Lunges strengthen the quadriceps and improve balance. Step UPS. Stand in front of a step or platform. Step onto the platform with one foot, pushing through your heel to lift your body up. Step back down with the same foot. Alternate legs for each repetition. Step-ups target the quadriceps and improve leg strength and stability. Wall sits. Stand with your back against a wall and lower your body until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Hold this position for as long as you can, then stand back up. Wall sits build endurance in the quadriceps and improve leg strength. Incorporate these exercises into your workout routine to strengthen your quadriceps, improve knee stability, and support overall lower body strength and function. Start with a manageable number of repetitions and gradually increase as your strength improves.